Nothing is more powerful than an idea whose time has come. Firefighters, police officers, task forces, search and rescue. Out hunting in the woods, in the forest, at work, in the great outdoors. Heroes wear HAIX.
Fires rage, a war is waged. A hero straps on his gear. To no one's delight, he fights fires tonight. The hero, he knows no fear. It's not what he likes when disaster strikes. It's a hot and fiery game. 'Cause every time he puts it all on the line, not for fortune and fame. With life on the line, he doesn't have the time for his kids or even his wife. When he gets a call, he belongs to us all.
The heroes of this world put their faith in the world's leading manufacturer, specialized footwear for the fire, police, and emergency services industry. The company's headquarters to the north of Munich reflect its modern corporate philosophy, operating worldwide with a secure instinct for traditional values. This is where investments in development, high-tech laboratories, production, and warehousing logistics have taken place. An international team of creative modelers, technicians, and engineers take on the complex challenges of professional shoe development, from the original idea to the final model via design and function. The company's European shoe production facilities are amongst the most modern in the world. The HAIX Group is certified in accordance with the environmental standard 14001. A highly skilled workforce uses state-of-the-art technology and traditional know-how to produce up to 5,000 pairs of special-purpose shoes every day. Handmade meets high-tech. More than 100 work stages are required to manufacture a complete special-purpose shoe from up to 130 individual components. "400 bull hides are processed every day, leather that meets the highest quality criteria. Once the leather has been carefully checked, the individual parts are stamped out with millimeter accuracy. In the stitching room, the components are precisely sewn and attached to the upper. The use of special welding machines and a sealing band give the seams maximum water tightness. Attention to detail and ongoing monitoring of every stage of work are indispensable elements of the HAIX quality philosophy. The lining and membrane are added to the shoe and affixed using a special environmentally friendly water-soluble adhesive. Anatomically formed counter guarantees the typical HAIX fit. The last is a molded copy of the human foot, an essential tool for the shaping of the upper and the foundation for future comfort of wear. The latest orthopedic findings guide the development work at HAIX. The upper is stretched over the last with the very greatest precision. The sides and heels are closed up. Young and happy faces are in evidence everywhere in the company. Fostering young skilled workers, especially in the area of shoe manufacture, forms an integral part of company strategy. The interplay between man and machine becomes a technological synthesis of the traditional shoemaker's art and high-tech production. The very latest machinery supports the finely honed craft trade skills of the individual workers. Patented sealing technology makes it possible to achieve 100% water tightness. It is no coincidence that the boss is often to be found on the shop floor. Great importance is attached to intimate and personal contact in family-run companies. This approach enables the company philosophy to act as a guarantee for a high level of product quality. Checks are a natural part of product enhancement rather than a form of surveillance. Technicians and engineers simulate extreme loads in the company's own laboratories. Continuous tests are run on shoes, soles, and other components. Functions and properties are subjected to detailed monitoring. Any worldwide standard or norm can be tested. This applies equally to the European EN system and the NFPA standards in North America. Centrifuges accelerate gravity to many times its natural level in order to test the water tightness of the shoes under the most extreme of conditions. HAIX fulfills the most stringent social audit standards. Its own code of conduct sets high ethical requirements. At the end of the production chain, each and every shoe is documented in the central database via barcode. This makes the whole production process from raw material to delivery of the finished article transparent and traceable. Thousands of packages leave the central warehouse every day to make their way across the world and to HAIX flagship stores. HAIX shoes are dispatched worldwide. From Berlin to Buenos Aires, from Los Angeles to Cape Town, and from Moscow to Tokyo. Young and old come together in the world of HAIX shoe centers. It is important to us to provide expert advice and professional service and to gain the trust of our customers. Safety is the sum total of function, quality, comfort of wear, and last but not least, the trust that millions of customers all over the world place in us every day. HAIX is an innovative and high-tech manufacturer of special-purpose footwear that meets the highest standards of functionality, quality, and design at a global level whilst providing good value for the money.